Do you want to revolutionize the way you wash dishes? Switch from chemical-based dishwashing liquids to eco-friendly dishwashing detergent sheets. ECO Massive brings plant-based dishwasher sheets with no presence of harsh chemicals. These sheets are made from plant-based ingredients for effective cleaning. No more mess and trouble of storing detergent bottles with ECO Massive's dishwashing sheets. Moreover, they use eco-friendly and fully landfill compostable packaging materials, ensuring a greener, gentler approach and minimal environmental impact. Interested in placing an order and trying these dishwashing sheets? Visit www.ecomassive.com to order in bulk for discounts and enjoy free shipping.